Credit scores matter, but which credit scores mean the most? Credit scores can be very confusing, especially for first-time home buyers who may need a little help getting into the home they're dreaming about. I'm Jennifer Bright with Coldwell Banker and Jennifer Bright Homes. Chances are, when it comes to credit, you've heard about FICO and Experian and Vantage and more. But what do they all mean and what are the differences? Well, credit scores are ways to evaluate your financial reputation. And you may have hundreds of them, and yes, there are differences in how they're calculated. So first of all, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax are the three main credit bureaus, and they came together about a decade ago to create their own version of a credit score model called Vantage Score. However, each have different information about you. Therefore, even though they use the same model to gauge your score, all three could still give you a different result. Then there's FICO score, which is the oldest and most widely used scoring model, allegedly used by 90% of the top lenders to judge your worthiness. This is the one you hear about most in commercials, and that's usually offered to you monthly by your credit card provider. In essence, FICO is like Google or Amazon, but Vantage still has a market share and is gaining popularity. So how do you know which one is the best for you? You can find out what kind of methodology your lender uses, but the best thing to do is just keep your credit history clear and strong so that you'll come out with a good high score no matter what the methodology or model is that's used to get your loan. For more information on regaining trust with lenders and ensuring that you put your best credit foot forward, be sure to give us a call at Jennifer Bright Homes for more information. And as always, we're here to help you with any of your home selling or buying needs. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Let's make real estate fun again.